Let's get organized. Having an organized pantry helps to maximize the amount of space in your kitchen. You can quickly find what you need and you can save money on groceries. I'm organizing the pantry with iDesign. This is the wood collection with the home edit that's available at the Container Store. Our pantry isn't super bad, but it's in need of a little attention. We are using baskets, lots of baskets. Beautiful, but we need a change. Open front all-purpose bins to the rescue. It makes it easy to access and is perfect to use not only in pantries, but in offices and laundry rooms too. Did I mention that the bins are modular? Yes, you can stack the bins on top of each other, configure it the way that suits you. On to the other side, giving it a quick clean, the narrow all-purpose bin is great for storing boxed dinners, instant potatoes, and rice packets. Can organizers is still a key player, and of course it stays, as well as my favorite item to use in my pantry, the wooden divided turntable with removable divider, perfect for storing sauces, vinegars, and condiments. Here's a space-saving solution tip. Use turntables or tiered trays and use labels to keep track of expiry dates and products. Link to iDesign in the Home Edit Wood collection in my bio.